Welcome back to David Tip of the Day. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to talk today about a very common maintenance work on your car, your auxiliary battery. Depends on the year and the model of your car. The auxiliary battery may be located in several different places throughout the car. The most common place the battery is located is under the dash. We're going to look at this car today. It's an S550 of 2009, and I'm going to show you where the auxiliary battery is located and how easy it is to replace it. So if you drive your car and the auxiliary battery light shows up on the dash, watch that video. These are the main three batteries that Mercedes manufacturer use on their vehicles. This is your main battery, and it's not necessarily only in Mercedes, it's in every vehicle. That's your main battery that provides power to the car and of course the cranking power to start the car. These in Mercedes vehicle will be your auxiliary batteries. Most common battery in many vehicles like GLs, MLs, S-classes will be the small battery located throughout the car. It depends. Look at your owner manual to determine where your auxiliary battery is located. In some E-classes, these are the auxiliary batteries. There are several vehicles that use both of them together that will have three different batteries. The older models, 2007 for 2009 S-classes, will have this battery plus a starter battery plus auxiliary battery. So to determine where your auxiliary battery is located and what's the malfunction that you have, look at your owner's manual. Now stay with me, let me show you in this specific car where the auxiliary battery is located. On this specific car, the S550 2009, the auxiliary battery is right here under the dash, inside. I'm going to pop up the side of the dash, the cover on the side of the dash, and I'm going to show you where it's located and how to replace it. You're going to need for that purpose a little pry plastic because you don't want to scratch or break the side. There is a place right here where you can slide it inside and you're going to be able to pop it gently out. And then you're going to pull it backward. You can see as you pull it, I'll show you in a second, you got these two little arms that will snug into these sections here. Then you take that cover out. Once you take that cover out, you're going to have to move a little fuse box over here. You got two bolts and the auxiliary battery is right here. You have to open this bolt to be able to move it out and replace it. After you remove the fuse box out, open the lower bolt over here and the bracket going to drop down. Open the terminals, the positive and the negative. Make sure you're not touching the positive into the body of the ground because you're going to short the circuits. After that, just slide the battery out. And once the battery is out, install a new one in the reverse order, put it back in, connect the terminals, and put the battery back in the bracket and close the bolt and you're done. Once you put the battery back in, you're done. No need to clear fault codes or anything else. The dashboard light that illuminates for the auxiliary battery is just going to go away immediately. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us on all of our social media for more great videos.